Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and I want you to produce a second page like this. It's going to include a floor plan, a large section view, and an exterior rendering of the home. Okay, so in order to do this, some things I need to point out. This is a 1/16th of an inch to 1 foot, and this is a 1/4 inch equals 1 foot view. So, and then the exterior view, I don't really care about. It's just got to be that size. Right now it says 12 inches equals 1 foot, but it doesn't matter because that's scaled differently. All right, so in order to do this, I'm just going to delete this one and we'll just start again. All right, that one's gone. All right, starting with our floor plan, here's one of the things that I don't know how to work around in a timely manner, so we're just going to just move on. Right here, you can click and change the view scale. Like you could make it 1/4 equals 1 foot, and notice what happens to our section view. All right, so as I continue going to a lower and lower fraction, here's 1/8. This is what it usually defaults to. When I go to 1/16th, which is the size I need to make it fit on the sheet appropriately, that section view disappears. And I don't know how to get it back. We would have to do some sort of detail view to show the corner, and it's just more than I want you guys to do. So we're just gonna know that we have a section view of a wall, all right? So once I get that set to 1/16th of an inch equals 1 foot, I'm happy. I'm gonna open up my section view here under sections. I have this, and one of the things I wanna show is we're gonna do a crop. It should look like this, and I wanna hide the box. You need the box to make sure all of your stuff is aligned appropriately, so get those lined up, and you're good to go there. So if let's see, can I move that? Let's see. You may need to do some alignment here to get it all nice and tidy. But you will have all of those ones here. If it's kind of crossing over and stuff, move stuff around a little bit, make this look good. Notice that I have changed I think the original was 1/8 of an inch equals 1 foot. We're going to use 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. What that does for us is it makes it easier to move your annotations around, and it makes the view larger on our page. And another thing I want to do is go to the floor plan, and I want to do a rendering of the front of the house. And I think I showed this in another video, but just to do it again, I'm going to take the camera and we're going to do camera, and then I'm going to click out here somewhere. What's happening? Oh, I know what's going on. I've got it cropped. We have to undo the crop region for now, and then I need to go over on my view. What view are we on? View 3. I want to click and show camera, and now I can see what's happening here. So we're going to take and adjust this so that we're seeing the house, okay? And I want to move this line further back so that we can see what's happening here and here. All right, so if I move here, so we're just gonna adjust some things around until I get a nice view of the front. And then we're gonna go look at view 3, the one I just made. And there's the house. If I want to, I don't want to move walls. All right, what I'm trying to do is right click, and I should be able to pan around a little bit until I get a happy view. And then I can adjust the size of this box and get more of a view of the front. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. So you can play around with this. What we're trying to do is just get a good view of the front of the house. You can adjust the panning and that sort of thing, but that's the one I want. So what I'm going to do now is click on renders. No, view and render. And I want to render a medium of that one. And hit render. I like the exterior sun and all that, so we're good on that. And then when I'm done, I'm going to do a save to project as my exterior view, and I've done one already getting ready for this video. So I'm going to call it exterior view 2. And I don't care that I'm seeing the foundation here. If you want to hide that, you can, that's fine. All right, now that we've got that, I need to go back to my floor plan and tell it I want to crop again. Let's check our crop region real quick. That looks good. So now I can go back to my sheet. Oh, no, we're not. I don't have the sheet. So the things I need, I have a floor plan, I have a 3D view that I've saved, and I have a section view that I've set to 1/4. All right. So now that we've got that all kind of set up, we're going to go to our sheets. And we're going to choose new sheet. I have the B11 by 17. If you don't have that, go click on find title blocks under your English Imperial library. And it's the second one, B11 by 17. But I've already got it loaded, so I just need to choose the one I want. All right, so here's my second sheet. Again, ignore the numbering here. We're only interested in the names. We're going to do rename, and this is floor plan. Change the name, not the number. So like I said, I'm going to go get my floor plan. If you want to, you can rename this to make it match what you want in your drawing. Like if yours says floor top, go ahead and just make it floor plan. But we're going to click on that and click out here. Put this floor plan kind of in the top left. And then we want to add our giant section in here. Let's see, we made this one 1/4 to 1 foot. And it should look like that. All right. I don't care if you have the box around it or not. I'm going to go hide that box. So I'm going to go to section 1 and click the little button right here that says hide, show or hide the crop box. Go back to my drawing, see now it's gone. And then I'm going to go down here and find my renderings, and I have an exterior rendering that I'm going to take and drag and put right here, okay? And I may need to change the scale of that, so let's go delete that. I wonder, I haven't done this before, so let's see what happens. I'm going to go to my 3D view that I made here. It's perspective. I don't see where the scale is set. All right, so let's go try that again. Maybe we can get to it if we go here, drag it in, and double click it to get to the viewport. There we can change the size. Right now it's 12 feet equals 10 feet, something like that. It's this one up here. Let's try 6. Okay, I like that better. So now we're gonna get out of that view. You have to click away from it. Okay, so we're out of the viewport. Let's click this and move it up. One of the problems that we have now is this is all cluttered, so we're gonna kind of go clean this up. So we're gonna click on this line, drop it down a little bit, and I'm gonna go grab just the end of this. This gets a little sticky, trying to catch the end only. If I click it, all right, delete it, drop it again. And it should keep that. So again, adjusting these little labels down here, usually the fastest way to fix it is delete it and drop it back in again. All right, so now I have a floor plan, a section view, and a 3-dimensional rendering of the home that is in color. And that's what I want. All right, thank you for watching.